Hey guys, thanks for watching. My name is Marty Ellis. Today in Utah we've had a really big earthquake. It was a 5.7 on the Richter scale. The TV has been nothing but news talking about cracked bridges, broken buildings, water pipes, foundations, all sorts of stuff. People are all shaken up, and so today I'm going to put together just a quick video of an emergency kit. I have watched several YouTube videos over the years, and I have compiled my list of what I want. Hopefully this gives you ideas on how it can help you with your kit. I'm just going to show you what I'm putting in for a 72-hour survival kit. So everything here on the counter is just random, mixed up, whole bunch of stuff. I'm going to hurry and organize it and put it in like categories, and then we'll get packing. Okay, we're going to go through some of these items. Hopefully this gives you some ideas. They're not all perfectly in matching groups, but you'll get the point and you can pick and choose what you want. Starting over here, radios, okay, communications. Whether it's handheld, talk about, two-way radios, or an emergency radio. This is nice because it'll pull in all hazard and weather alerts, and it's got a crank, so you can crank this up. You can also plug in your power adapters and charge your pocket juices, your cell phone chargers, your cell phones, any electronic device you can charge with that emergency radio just by cranking it by hand. It also has a digital FM and AM radio and a flashlight. Survival shovel, in case you need to dig through debris. Whole bunch of protective gear. Eye protection, skin protection, ear protection, respiratory protection, whatever you might need. Tools, zip ties, garbage sacks, twine, whatever you might need to catch water, repel water, retain body heat. Speaking of heat, we have our fire starters, blast matches, waterproof matches, sparks. These are pretty nice when you need to start a fire. Okay, then you also have indoor-outdoor fire starts. You light this and this will last for several hours. Matches, spare batteries, butane, lighters, whatever you want to pack. And in your tool section, all your ropes, your bungees, your paracords, anything that you might need to tie stuff, build a tent, a lean-to, a shelter, whatever. When it gets dark, when it's cold, you have your heat and you have light. Doesn't matter what type of flashlight. Having lights that work and backup batteries or lanterns come in handy when you need them. It's all part about surviving and being prepared. Tools, knives, pocket knives, Leatherman tools, multi-purpose tools, tools that allow you to do whatever you got to do. Protection, survival, chop down something to build a lean-to, compasses, orientation, paper, pens, pencil in case you need to write a note, hand warmers, electronics, GPS, a handheld GPS to get you by, extra batteries in case you're lost, in case you're trying to locate someone, connecting to a radio to talk with someone. Your clothing section, whatever your survival needs might be staying warm. You might be in the desert, might be staying cool. So there's all sorts of different products. Rain suits, keep you dry, snake bite kit. This is pretty awesome. This is a 16-in-1 survival tool. It has everything from a fishing kit, a sewing kit, reflector mirrors, all those little gadgets that you might need. These are pretty sweet. These clips allow you to hook this to any material, and you've got an anchor support where you can take your paracord and tie off whatever. If you need to pack a child, a person, it's strong enough that you can tie it. Headlamps, in your lighting, flashlights, dry sacks. It's all part about staying dry. You might need to keep your medicines, your food, whatever, dry. Okay, we get into the food section, your water section. You might not always be able to pack water, but one of these is pretty nice. This is a survival straw. It's like a life straw, whatever you want to call it. You can connect this directly to a water bottle and drink out of it, or you can just filter water through it. So it'll do up to 300 gallons of water. Your Band-Aids, all your necessary survival. Then you get into your food section. Packable foods that'll last a long time on the shelf, like tuna fish or kipper snacks, fruit snacks, some of these chips and candies. This is awesome. This is an emergency, or whenever you want to heat water, butane stove. You can get your butane, screw it in, and all of a sudden you're taking dried food, packable food. This has a shelf life of, expires in May 2047, so we're still good for quite a while. Got a whole bucket full of them. And then you get into your sleeping bags and hammocks and outdoor survival gear. That's part of your clothing section, your gloves, your shoes, hats, anything that you're going to use. Also, emergency disaster kits are nice to buy and put that in with your kit. Most of the time it has extra. It's just extra stuff. This has 58 pieces, flashlights, batteries, duct tape, utility knife, candles, waterproof matches, latex gloves, hand warmer packets. So those are all different items that are really, really good to have in your survival kit. After you go through your items and you figure out what you want to pack, you need to get a pack or a system that's going to allow you to have what you want. So I'm going to shut the camera off, we'll keep the time lapse rolling, and we're going to pack. Okay, now as you can see, this is everything leftover. I did put some stuff in here, but that's just extra. I don't need 15 flashlights. I don't need a whole box of Band-Aids. I already have enough extra stuff with me. I loaded everything into the backpack, and this is the backpack I chose to use for my 72-hour kit, mainly because it's a good backpack. It's a frame kit, and it distributes the weight really, really nice. I don't have to worry about it being too heavy. Everything loaded in my backpack weighs exactly 26 pounds. So 26 pounds is not bad at all. Even a child can carry it. So if you say grab my pack and you're in an emergency situation, somebody can grab it. But it's loaded. It's got pretty much everything I need other than the big bulk items. The big bulk items I'm putting in to this Badlands duffel bag. This will have my radio, my shovel, my full store-bought emergency disaster kit, and anything extra that I want. I can put extra mills in here, extra sets of butane. I mean, I could put the whole bucket in there if I really wanted to. Okay, really quick, I just want to show you, I told you this backpack's 26 pounds and it's loaded. It's 100% ready to rock and roll for 72 hours. It's got everything I need with the exception of the bulk shovel and the radio. It's got extra batteries, it's got extra food, water, everything. 26 pounds. We're going to have Dolly come and demonstrate. Come on in, Dolly. And she's a petite gal. It just goes to show that she's strong enough to put the backpack on. And anybody can really carry it. Got everything cleaned up. Got everything in my 72-hour kit. So we're good to go. We got everything in here. Everything that doesn't fit in there is in this pretty sweet duffel bag. that has double use as a backpack. That's what I like about this. You can use it as a duffel, or you can throw it on your back in an emergency situation, or say you're going long distances. Might not be the most comfortable with heavy oblong objects, but it beats the heck out of carrying it. And I can tie it to this other backpack, or just wear them both at the same time. Thanks for watching. Hope it helps. Be safe. And God bless.